What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over the top 3 indicators that I use that help me, basically navigate where price is going, and that is very profitable. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, y'all, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add them one by one. I'm not gonna show you like a major breakdown on them, but I will give you a little bit of information on each indicator and why I use it, and then I'm going on to the next. What your job is after this video is, if you want to use this strategy, not really, if you want to use these indicators the way I use them, then what you want to do is try them out for yourself, see if you get any results, and go from there. So what we're going to do is add the first one that I feel like is very important. All right, so all you got to do is go to your indicators up here and search moving averages. All right, once you get on the moving averages, change them from simple or exponential, whatever settings is on, and change it to smooth, and it's going to be a smooth moving 8, which is my dark one right here. You put any other color that you want. And a smooth moving 50, okay? And these is like something to me more tighter than a regular moving average, okay? They're way more tighter, and it gives me more of a sniper entry and a sniper exit and how long to hold the trade. So for instance, let me show you an example. So when price is inside of the smooth moving 8, I know that I can hold the trade. As you can see, y'all, look at this. Price is inside. Once it cross a touch, once price cross above it, then I know I can go ahead and make my exit. See, this is a sniper exit instead of me just holding this trade and me not knowing that it's about to come all the way back up here. But this gives me an indication, like I say, of where price is going. So what I can do is get out here, wait for it and see what it does. And if it doesn't break the 50, because guys, the 50 is also, like, they are represented as a support and a resistance. Right now they are resistance because price is below it, and if it break this resistance, then it's gonna buy. So boom, here's consolidation. This how I know it's consolidating, it's not going anywhere. But once it break above, then the 8 becomes a support. All right, it becomes a support. And once price just stay above this, you can hold the trade. Also, what I want to break down is when the smooth moving 8 crosses the smooth moving 50 or bounces off the 50, that gives you a indication that this will be a long-term trade. So for example, let me zoom out and let's go all the way up to the top, y'all. Look at this. Oh, we're on a 1 minute time frame. Let me change this. I didn't even notice. So wow, here, okay, here you see first, okay, you see where the smooth moving 8 crossed the 50, smooth moving 50. You could have got in here. Now look at this trade. All right, let me delete because I caught some of that. Let me delete my trend line. As you can see, look at this. You could have held this trade. All right, held this trade. Even though it came down a little bit, it tested this smooth 50, bounced right back up. So as you can see, they are treated as a support at this time. All right, and they will be, like I say, represented as a resistance as well. This just let you know, hold the trade. All right, hold the trade. The smooth moving 8 is still above the 50. Price is still above the 8. Most definitely a strong trend from the point I showed you all the way up to here. Now, let's look at this. Price actually broke the 8. Okay, come down, tested the 50, broke the 50. Get out. The smooth moving 8 broke the 50 as well. All right, and that's why you see this is a sniper exit. Instead of you losing all of this, you know, okay, price already broke the 8, so let me get out. Or even if you just wanted to do like it did here, but here it's close, so it wasn't really too much you could have did other than get out if it broke the 50 as well. But you could have held on to this. But since this is far, this is too far for a test because it actually could break it. So once it broke the smooth moving 8, you could have got out. Now, if you would have got in for a sell, you still could have caught some good pips. From here to here is 90 pips just off of you using the 2 moving averages. All right. Once again, let me show you the crossover right here. Crossed the 50. Now we know that we have a strong sell trend. All right. So now price is about to keep going. Okay. Now, when price breaks this smooth moving 8, get out from your trade. This already 140 pips. You can't beat that. Okay. So now what we're going to add to it. All right. We're going to add the super trend. The super trend buy sell signal. And like I said, guys, let me play around with this because you know TradingView always does this. All right. Always be on some weird activity. So let's go back to GU. I got to play around with it, y'all. Sorry. Okay, here we go. So the time we added the super trend buy or sell signal. This also give you indication on where price is going. Everything's lining up, so we in for the sell. Now, what do they represent? They also represent support and resistance levels. All right. Once price breaks one of the levels, so once price broke the support, boom, we got us a sell. All right. Once price broke, let's see, right here, once price broke this resistance, we got us a buy. All right. So if you get it, everything works together, and it's giving you more confirmation. Let me move this out the way. And it's giving you more confirmation. But I'm not going to give you all my sauce, but I will give you one more indicator that can help you. Okay. And it's the awesome oscillator plus the MACD. So we added it to the screen. Let me move this up a little bit. Now, what you can do is use these also for entries and exits. All right. And how long to hold it. Once these moving averages cross, it's the same thing with those up there. But down here, if you don't know how to read candlesticks or, you know, basically like looking at it and don't know what you can just watch this. All right. You get a red dot, get in for a sell, hold it until you get a green dot. All right. You get a green dot. Hold it until you get a red dot. No matter what, like you should make profit because it's pips. All right, we trade pips. So this movement right here was this movement. It all add up. See that sell? You got a red signal, and that's a whole nother indicator. Okay, this sell, you got this indicator right here. You got the moving averages giving you the same thing. So when everything line up, you can hop in the trade. Sell. Okay, you caught all of that. Boom. Now you got this right here. Buy, sell, buy. Okay, buy, sell, buy. It's accurate. All right, so you can use this. Now what you can do is fix it up to where it's easy to read. These are the top 3 indicators that I recommend using. All right, and I do say 3 because the 2 that I first started with, they go together. All right, they go together. So that's just one indicator. So this for the people who like to use indicators. If you don't know how to read a chart or don't know how to understand where price is going and you need extra confirmation, you can use these 3. They are profitable. Trust me, they are profitable. All right, and like I said, I'm not gonna give you all my sauce, but I have one more indicator that goes on the chart. It makes it look so clean and nice and, you know, easy to read. But I'm thinking about revealing that to the group. All right, you have to be a part of my group. If you want to join my group, my Instagram information will be down below. We also came out with a NAS 100 strategy. It's fire. It's fire. It's super duper fire, man. I got a lot of people getting good results with it. I got a lot of people making money. We also came out with a scanner, guys. I've been working, all right. RSI scanner. I've been getting everything, together for the group, all right. Team Vision Forex. That's the group. If you don't know now, we on the way, okay? We on the way, y'all. We're not big. We're not out there yet, but we are a growing team, okay? And I want to say shout out to my partner CP. Shout out to my partner Brandon. Shout out to my boy Justin. We really trying to just grow positive, abundantly, you know what I'm saying? Money wise, wiser, everything. We're just trying to make other people successful. It's not about the money, all right? I'm making money trading every day. I post my profits on my Instagram. Justin going crazy with Bitcoin. CP going crazy with the GBP pairs as well. Brandon created the strategy. I put my touches on it, and I had someone code it, all right, in Norway. So I say all of that to say this, man. If you want to make some money in Forex, DM me on Instagram, all right? Not making no guarantees. I can only show you what I know. I can only show you the strategy that we've been using, how we use it, and it's up to you to practice it, see if you get results. But if this video was helpful for you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, man. Don't forget to like this video. I need more subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe. Other than that,